We have chosen the structure the simple verb forms. We only use regular verbs in the exercises. It means that when we talk about he, she, it, we must add an S on the end of the verb. We have chosen it because the curriculum indicates that the children need to develop their confidence in their ability to use English in different situations and different purposes. It also says that children needs to develop their comprehensive communication skills. It's important for the pupils to be able to change the verb forms in order to express themselves and be understood.
We will divide the time into 2 separate 30 minutes occasions. In the first lesson, we will begin with a 10-minute introduction where we present the grammar structure of verbs. It will be a one-way communication where the pupils have to listen to the teacher using the structure in examples. The remaining 20 minutes, the pupils will work 2 and 2 with an activity where they will pair up the right verb form with the right picture. And the verbs will be connected to the pupil's environment. It will be a two-way communication between the pupils. And in the end, we will go through the correct answers together.
In the second lesson, we will begin talking about what we did the last lesson and ask what they remember. Then we will do a similar activity where they will do on their own to repeat and assess how well they have learned for 10 minutes. Then we will hand out cards with different verbs. The pupils will then, one at a time, act out the verb they got, and the rest will say what he or she is doing. For example, she jumps. This exercise will be connected to their emotional experience. Lastly, we will ask about the pupils' thoughts about the exercise.
A common problem that may occur is getting the pupils to concentrate on the exercise. Some pupils might find the exercise uninteresting and will therefore find the other things to copy them, which can be disturbing for the rest of the class. Some pupils could also finish the exercise faster. The teacher usually has a good understanding of who these students are and can have work prepared for them. To summarize, our first 30-minute lesson started with a short introduction of the simple verb, where we focused mainly on the third-person tense, like she plays, he plays, and it plays. After that, we picked exercise for the pupils to work with in pairs. The exercise was to pair a picture with the right verb tense. The other 30-minute lesson started with a discussion about what they remembered, about the simple verb form for the first 30-minute lesson. We ended the lesson with a fun activity in the classroom that has to do with acting and guessing.